Hey guys, here is another quick hacker video for you, all the bubblers out there. This is a website called Indie Hackers that I cloned a couple years ago. To be precise, it was 803 days ago, just to demonstrate what Bubble could do and also what I could build with Bubble on the front end and what my skills were. But if you take a look at this, when you scroll down, there is this white space. And only now I realized why it happens. So let me just demonstrate real quick what's happening here, right? So I've got the page that's completely empty, and I'm gonna drop a text on it. Sorry, it's just a text, and I'm gonna change the color of the background to, let's say, black, right? Let's change the color of the text to white. So I'm gonna refresh, and you see my text here, and when I scroll down there is white space. I'm gonna explain how to do this real quick, how to solve it, but I just want you to understand there is the body in every HTML, right? There is a body, but then which is your page basically. However, how Bubble kind of handles this, our pages are basically divs or groups inside this body. See, this is the div, which is the text block, and then I've got this group or div, which is black. So if I drop, so there is another video in my playlists. I'm gonna link it somewhere here or at the end of the video that explains to you how to integrate CSS inside Bubble. But in this quick video, I'm just gonna drop this HTML. You can make it 1 pixel by 1 pixel or whatever you want, just to make sure you can accommodate this. And now we're given body the background color of black. You can make this dynamic, you can make it anything you want. So now this time, when I'm gonna refresh this, you will see that even background is also dark. So voila, this is a simple code, simple CSS, body, background color, and you can make this yeah, as I said, 1 pixel by 1 pixel, but make sure it's on the page, because I think if it's in a pop-up it won't be displayed in the HTML and the code will not be applied to the whole HTML body. So that's it. Please subscribe, please share this video to with others, and support me. Take care.